How to fix the issue where Face ID is grayed out or missing on your iPhone. So if you're unable to change your Face ID settings or unable to set up a new Face ID, I'm going to show you how we can go in and fix this in just a couple easy steps. Now, this is usually due to a restriction on your iPhone. So we can fix this by first opening up the settings on your phone. You could then scroll all the way down to screen time and click on this. Then scroll down again and click on content and privacy restrictions. You could then scroll down to passcode and Face ID and click this, and make sure this option here is set to allow. Now alternatively, you can just come back over to the previous window and you can just disable content and privacy restrictions altogether, and once you've done that, you should then be able to go and change your Face ID settings. Now if it's still not working, then what you need to do is come back over to the main settings page. We're then going to scroll down to general and click this, scroll down to software update and select that, and then if there's any updates available for your iPhone, make sure to go and install these now, as sometimes outdated software can also cause the Face ID issue. Now once you've done all of this, you'll just need to go and restart your iPhone, and that should have solved the grayed out Face ID. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.